Hey guys, today I'm gonna be making a base tutorial. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, so this is the day, I guess. So first off, we need paper, like that. Well, I'm grabbing that one. And then if it's too much, then you can just cut it off. If it's too big, then you can cut it again. And there we have it, the paper. And we can fold it. Hold up, just give me a second, guys. Oh, never mind, I did it right. Never mind, I was just checking. And then when you're done, you're just gonna take these ends and then fold them like this. And then you're gonna do it again. And then when you're done, with these pieces, you could cut them off if they're really that annoying. And do it to the same side of like that. And then it should be like that. Boom. And then once you get to that part, you're gonna have to get some tape like this. I don't know why I have two pieces of tape, just in case if this one runs out. So yeah. Yeah, so you're gonna need tape. And then you're gonna put it on. That's how it sticks. And then do it again, so the paper won't stick up, which is annoying, really. And then you're gonna do it again, like that. Boom, then it's not sticking up. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna do this, like bend it. Ooh, that came out good, let's go. And then it like goes like that. Alright, don't mind the fact that my base looks small. That's just how I make it. And then, oh wait, yeah. And then when you do this, like when you make it like that, you're gonna put on the paper and then use your pencil to do this. And you're gonna like go like that. Oh no, I can't line it up. Okay. And then you're gonna line it up like that and then do it again. Okay, you're gonna do it just like that. And then you're gonna do it again. Yeah. Yeah, so you're gonna do it again like that. I'm gonna put a hole through the paper, bro. Oh my gosh. And then you're gonna do that when you're done. And you're gonna cut, well, you're not gonna cut the triangle, but you're gonna cut like that, if you guys know what I mean. Please don't be too small. Okay, this should look like this. Sorry if it looks small, but I'm pretty sure it's fine with me. But, wait. Yeah, it's probably like too small, but yeah. It's a little teeny tiny one, I guess. And then it's gonna look like that. Oh wait, hold up. Or you're gonna do it again, hold up. I have a better idea. You're gonna do it again, sorry. My bad, guys. And then you're gonna go over here and then do it inside so it like won't be tricky. So it's gonna look like, sorry guys, hold up. Now it's gonna look like this. Boom. Okay, hopefully that's better and I don't mess up. Okay. Okay, now you guys are gonna cut it like this. Remember I told you guys about cutting the paper. Hope you guys understand it by the end of the video, and hope this helped. And then you're gonna bend it, like take this side, and then you're gonna bend it like that. Oh no. Okay, whatever. You're just gonna bend it like that, and then you're gonna bend the other side like that. And then, oh no, it's not gonna look good. And then you're gonna do this, and then take tape, and then you rip it off. Yeah, just like that. And then you're gonna stick it on. Oh no. Don't do that, guys. Anyways, as I was saying, you're gonna stick that on. Okay. And then same with the other one. You're gonna like that. Okay, and then for this side, you're gonna repeat the same thing like that. Alright. Well, let's do it. Take that side and go like this. And you're gonna take that again. There, okay. Now we need to cover up one more spot and we should be all good. And yeah, I did teach you guys another one. Sorry if it doesn't look that good. I'm just doing this the first time and yeah, it doesn't really look that good, so. And then, so you're gonna take the tape off and then just do this with the paper and then put it on. Same with this again, you're gonna do that and then just like do that. All right. Okay, now. Okay, I'm just gonna do it with this paper. I don't know. Whoa. Anyways, so you're gonna take this, flip it upside down, and you're gonna do the most important part, do that. And then you're gonna do it again. You can flip it upside down, and then it's gonna look like that. And then connect. Okay, nice. Oh no. And then, what is going on with this paper? Okay. I don't know why it looks bent, but I guess don't worry. Anyways, guys, you're gonna cut it like this if it's bothering you. Yeah, and like that. Don't mind the fact that this is kind of bent. Yeah, try to ignore that. Don't worry about it. And then also, you're gonna stick it on just like that. Hopefully this tutorial is helping, because I'm not really good at tutorials, but it's my first time doing it, as I said. And maybe next time, or maybe today or tomorrow, I'll finish it again and just do the head. And look, it's just like that. And then, guys, the final thing. Now, okay, we're gonna take this piece of paper, and then you're gonna cut it again, like that. Ooh, okay, I did that perfectly. Hold up. And then, as you're gonna do it again, you're gonna fold it. And then you're gonna repeat it like that. Do it again, again, and again. I feel like that came out perfectly though. And if you want, you can cut out this side to perfectly match. And once you're there, you can do that again. I messed up on the tape over, that's okay. And then do it again like that. Okay, looking good, looking good. This is the last one, and then there'll be a further video. Let me fill that one up too for it. Oh wait, no. Okay, now it's gonna look like that. There we go, and then you're gonna bend it again. Whoa. Here, let me real quick do that. Oh, let me fix that part real quick. No. And it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna like do this real quick. That's how I measure it to see if it's good. Uh-oh, it's not perfectly measured, so I get to cut that part. And I get to do that again. Goodbye. And then, oh, hold up. All right, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, you're gonna cut it. And, oh, these guys keep on falling. Yeah, don't like mind that they're not the same size, but normally how I do it, but guys, don't yell at me because that's how I do it. And you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna line it up, and then you're gonna go like that. Ooh, I did that good, okay. Line it like that. And you're gonna cut the triangle. Like that, boom. All right, you're gonna bend the triangle. That is so teeny tiny. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't care though. Oh, okay. Hopefully that matches up, cause I might make this into a puppet or something. I don't know, but I'll let you guys choose. I don't care. In the comments below, if I can do a dragon, an animal, I don't know. I'll let you guys choose this time. And then you're gonna do that. Same with this side. You're gonna cover that up. Okay, we're almost done with this. And then this is the last piece of the base. And then at the end, it gets a little tricky. So you guys might want to pay attention. Okay, so now. Okay. Yeah, sometimes when I make the base, they just look kind of weird. Don't know wow or like that. Or don't know why. Okay, let me just compare that and see if it... I might not make this into a dragon puppet, but this is just to show you guys how to make a base, as you guys might know. Okay, and last but not least, flip it over again. Use a pencil, and you're gonna trace it, and you're gonna do it again. And just one more time. Yeah, like that. And then you're gonna So it's easier that way. So cut it. Okay, I feel like we're doing good so far, guys. Let me know in the comments below if this is helping. If not, then I'm sorry. This is all I can do as far as I know. Yeah. And then you take another piece off. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this into a drag puppet though. It's just like the bases looks weird, as I was saying. So yeah. So yeah, it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna. Bro, I actually don't remember. Yeah, it's gonna look like this. I'm thinking like that. Oh wait, no, that's the inside. My bad, my bad. All right, never mind. It's gonna look like this. And then for the inside, guys, you actually might want to pay attention. And this is the last thing. So you're gonna grab a piece of tape and then just line them up like this so it's perfectly lined up. And then the inside, hold up. I couldn't get the tape. And then you're gonna put that inside and then you're gonna line that up. Oh yeah, forgot to mention from the beginning, you will need Sharpie marker, tape, scissors, pencil, and yeah, and paper, of course, why not? And if you want to color the head for the dragon puppet, you will need some markers or crayons or colored pencils, it doesn't matter. And we officially have it. Oh, hold up, give me a minute. And this is the last touch. Boom, we have it. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah, it looks kind of weird, doesn't it? And then, yeah, this is what it looks like when it's done. If you guys have any questions in the comments, just ask me, then I'll respond if I can. And I hope you guys enjoyed for the video today. Bye.